Are you a lover of natural remedies, seeking for a natural way to get rid of acne, hyperpigmentation, and dark spots? Search no more because this video is just for you. Okay, you just have to watch this video to the end because I'll be showing you two natural remedies that you need. Okay, that will help you remove your acne, dark spots, and hyperpigmentation in no time using fresh tomatoes and turmeric. Okay, yes, guys, I'll be showing you two different ways you can use fresh tomatoes and turmeric in order to get rid of that stubborn acne, hyperpigmentation, and dark spots. Okay, guys, I've had my own fair share of acne, dark spots, and hyperpigmentation. But the good thing is that I overcame it all. So that's why I'm here today to share these tips with you so that it can help you treat that skin condition that you've been worried about and that have been frustrating you. So if you don't want to use a store-bought product that you're not sure of their ingredients and how your skin will react to it, why not try this natural remedies? Okay, this ones might actually help you. These two natural remedies that I just want to show you right now might end up helping you. The first natural remedy is turmeric and honey. Okay, how to combine turmeric and honey in order to get that beautiful skin. Okay guys, you know about turmeric. Turmeric helps in skin brightening. It helps in removing dark spots. A lot of us know about turmeric. Turmeric has a lot of benefits when it comes to our skin. It helps in skin brightening. It helps in removing dark spots on the skin. Like it helps to glow the skin as well. What about honey? Okay, honey is an anti-inflammatory, is an antibacterial. Honey also helps in retaining moisture on the skin. So guys, when you combine these two ingredients together, you know that your skin will glow, your skin will shine. Okay, it will remove every dark spot on your skin, it will heal your acne, it will just elevate your skin the more. Okay, so guys, how do you get this mixture? Okay, what you need to do is get the turmeric and also get your honey, mix them together. When you're mixing, please mix the amount that you're going to be using at that particular time. You don't mix too much of it, just mix the amount you know you're going to be needing at the particular time. Okay, put the amount that will be enough for your face, mix them both together, wash your face thoroughly and properly with a very good moisturizing soap. Yes, use a moisturizing soap. Don't go and use a lightening soap. Use a moisturizing soap on your face, okay? And then apply this paste on your face. Leave it on your face for at least 30 minutes. When the 30 minutes elapses, rinse your face with warm water. Yes, you rinse your face with warm water and just rinsing. Don't go and use sponge to start scrubbing your face. Don't go and use exfoliating sponge or start using towel to wash your face or scrub your face. I didn't say you should scrub it off. I said you should rinse your face off. Just just rinse off that paste that you applied on your face and leave it on. Just leave it. All you can do is just use towel to just dab on your face in order to dry the excess water on your face and just leave your face for a while. And then apply your face moisturizer and you're good to go. Okay, you need to repeat this at least 3 times every week for 4 weeks in order to start seeing a maximum result. Remember, it's not chemical. It's not chemical that you start seeing results within 1 to 2 weeks. This one is natural ingredient, so it takes a little time. You need to be patient in order to see the results. Okay, so the next natural remedy I'm going to be talking about is tomatoes and turmeric. Yes, this time around you also have to mix these two ingredients together in order to get that mixture that you apply on your face. Okay, so guys, let me first of all talk about tomatoes. We know that tomatoes helps in anti-aging. Tomato helps in improving collagen on our skin. Tomato contains vitamin A. It also contains vitamin C. Okay, as we all know, vitamin C, we all know what vitamin C does. It's one of the properties of vitamin C is that vitamin C heals. It heals the skin. It also brightens up the skin, guys. And tomatoes also contains antioxidants. Like when you start including tomatoes in your skincare routine, you will see how different your skin will look because it helps in rejuvenating the skin. It makes your skin look so beautiful and supple. Now, the next ingredient, which is turmeric. Like I've said before, turmeric does a lot of work on the skin. It has always been known that turmeric brightens the skin, it removes dark spots, it removes hyperpigmentation as well. So mixing those two ingredients together will give you a very good result on your skin. So how do you go about this? How to make the mixture? You need to get your fresh tomatoes, okay? Just get your fresh tomatoes, even if it's just one medium size. Blend it very well, then strain out the water, okay? What you'll be needing is the juice, the tomato juice. So strain it out, put it aside, and then get your turmeric, mix it in just the proper amount. You know, when you're looking at the tomato juice, you will know the exact amount of turmeric that will be enough. Okay, so just put enough in the tomato juice, mix it thoroughly, go wash your face with a moisturizing soap. Okay, wash your face very, very well and thoroughly, and then apply this mixture all over your face. Yes, apply it all over your face properly. Make sure you applied it evenly. Just apply enough on your face, then allow it to sit on your face for at least 30 minutes. Yes, when it sits on your face for 30 minutes, then rinse off your face with warm water. Yes, rinse off your face with warm water. Like I said earlier on, don't don't go and start using exfoliating sponge on your face. I did not say you should exfoliate your face then or use sponge to go and be scrubbing your face. Just make sure you use your hand to wash off those products that you applied on your face, okay? And then you're good to go. You can do this for at least 2 to 3 times every week in order to get the maximum results. And like I said earlier on, okay, this is natural remedies. You don't expect to start seeing results today, or maybe after 7 days. Okay, you will start seeing a maximum result on your face at least. Give it 3 to 4 weeks. That's when you start seeing the results. It's a gradual process. It takes time to work. These are natural ingredients. Okay, there are no chemicals in them, so they will take their time to work, to penetrate into your skin and then give you that glow, that beautiful result that you want. So guys, if you don't really have patience for this, okay, you can go for the brightening products, okay, the chemicals that can help remove your dark spots, acne, and hyperpigmentation. But if you're looking for natural remedies, okay, you can stick to those one. All right. So this is it, guys. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. All right. If you haven't liked my video yet, please do and like my video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel and you love my content and you want to keep seeing more of my content, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that post notification bell. Okay? Yes. Thank you guys for watching my video. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.